Development session number 3. In today's class, we are going to discuss internal CSS. Now, in the last class, we have already discussed that how inline CSS works. So, in my body tag itself, in this line, I have added all the styling to my body. And when I see the output page, you can see that the entire page is in yellow color with the border and the required body styling. Now in today's class, we can see that how instead of inline CSS, I can use internal CSS to do the styling. So what I will be doing over here is, let's first remove all the inline codes from here. And now when you see the output, you can see it's again like this. Now, what if I want to do the internal styling? So internal styling always happens inside the HTML file itself. We do not need to create a separate file for it. If you are creating a separate file, that becomes external CSS. We will be doing internal CSS in the HTML file itself. And where is the place? It should be inside your head tag. How to start writing the inline CSS? First of all, I will be writing here style. And then I'm going to close this Angular tag, and inside this, all my codes will be coming. Now, first of all, I want to give a styling to the body, right? Because the body is right now has no background, no color, nothing. So because I want to use it for the body, in this, I will be using a body element only. I will write body with the curly brackets and enter. Here, suppose if I want to give a background color to my body, so how will I write the code here? I will write here background color and I will give the color of my choice and then a semicolon. If I do so, I can see the output and you can see the background of the body has changed. What if I want to change the entire body to the center? I'll continue my code inside this body element only and I will write here text align and I will do it as center. Once I do so, every text will come to the center. So what is the benefit over here? For example, I have here so many heading tags, right? I have a H1 tag and then I have a H2 tag over here as well. So what if I want to change this also to H1? Now there are two H1 tags, right? Now, if I want to change this H1 tag into a specific color, I have to give a line coding for this as well as for this, right? So what happened? It will make me a little bit more time consuming. So usually we do not go for the inline CSS. We this time use the H1 here instead. And now I can say that color I want to choose as red. Now what will happen? Both the H1 tags is going to change with only by this in one line. Both the tags will be changed to red color. Let's see how can this happen. So you can see this. So that's how it saves our time. Even though if I want to change the color of my P element, I will just simply write P and I can choose the color and then maybe the color I could choose any of my choice. Let's say blue. And you can see that the paragraph turn out to the blue color. So here we have discussed today internal CSS. Okay, so how to write that inside the head tag, and we can also start with this style tags which we need to close just before the head tag, and inside this we can write the elements one by one. So please do try this and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.